In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a contact on PayPal. If you've ever had a contact you no longer want to interact with, blocking is a quick way to prevent accidental payments, money requests, or their name showing up in your suggestions. I'll walk you through the PayPal website on a desktop browser, and the flow should be very similar on most devices. Start by opening your browser and signing into your PayPal account. You'll land on the summary page, which shows your balance, recent activity, and a quick section for sending money again to people you've contacted before. In that area, look for the three-dot menu icon. It's the small button with 3 dots, usually positioned near the quick Send Again section. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load or scroll slightly so the quick send area is visible. Click the 3 dots to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Manage Contacts. This takes you to your PayPal contact list, where you can view people and businesses you've sent to or saved. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to block. Taking a moment to confirm the right contact here is helpful, especially if you have similar names in your list. Once you've found the contact, select it to open their details. On the Contacts page, look for the option that says, Block this contact. Click it, and when prompted, confirm your choice. After you confirm, the contact will be blocked. This means they won't appear in your quick suggestions, and you won't be able to send payments to them accidentally. In many cases, blocking also reduces unwanted requests from that contact, helping keep your activity feed cleaner and your sending experience smoother. If the button doesn't appear immediately, make sure you actually clicked into the contact's details rather than just highlighting the name in the list. A quick refresh of the page can help if the interface looks stuck. Also, keep in mind that PayPal's layout can vary slightly by region or over time, but the wording and location of Manage Contacts and Block this contact are usually consistent. You can change your mind later. Just return to Manage Contacts, open the same contact, and look for an option to reverse the block if it's available. That's it. You've successfully blocked a contact on PayPal using the built-in contact management tools, keeping your payments more deliberate and your suggestions tidy.